Hi, I'm Matt from Focus Training. Let's talk about the ways that technology is helping organizations to train more effectively and make training more accessible to all learners. There are some really cool programs out there. For example, learning experience platforms. What we're thinking of is sort of the next generation of the LMS. The LXP is similar. It has functionality for scheduling and accessing training, tracking data, but it goes beyond that to put the learner in the driver's seat. It's more of an on-demand approach and even includes interactive components like being able to chat with a subject matter expert. Might be worth looking at whether your organization could benefit from an upgrade to an LXP. Another thing that we've been paying attention to for quite a while but is starting to get more traction is microlearning. Microlearning specifically now is more focused on individual use cases. So you can think of, for example, if you need to change the headlight in your car, rather than going to a shop and paying a lot of money, you probably, if you're like many people, will search on YouTube for a video showing you how to do the task. Many organizations are building micro-learning knowledge bases that contain short 2 to 3 minute video lessons on a very specific thing that someone might need to do. How to save an Excel document in the right place in a shared file or something of that nature. Because that's how learners are trying to access their content. They're doing it based on a specific need. And rather than sift through a long 90-minute course to find the answer, task-specific microlearning has created a lot of utility. Last but not least, virtual classrooms have come a long way. In the last several years, the need to be able to engage teams who are scattered remotely in learning without putting them all on an airplane and flying them to a central location has become very obvious. But now the tools have caught up and an asynchronous environment is not necessary to bring people together virtually. In fact, all of our programs that are delivered virtually through platforms like Zoom are fully synchronous. And so we still get the advantage of face-to-face conversations, small group discussions, and more without folks having to get on an airplane, making training more accessible to remote employees, but also more affordable for organizations. There are so many new technologies on the horizon, and whatever you are using, I hope you're always thinking about what's next.